Hey everybody, welcome back. I just want to do a quick show and tell video. This is an Italian sewing kit that I obtained from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a variety of items, not just small items like this, but other surplus items as well. That's ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out of New Zealand and they ship internationally. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. We have a little bow knot right here. And drawstrings. Looks like they're all just looped in here. Real basic pouch, single stitching. No markings so far, and it is a pouch, so it doesn't open any further than that, like a spread out, with compartments to left and right, like some other ones. Let's go through the zipper real quick. So we have a plastic-sized zipper, and inside here, trying to see what I'm doing, it looks like we have our needle packet. Let's see if I can undo this without dropping all of them. This looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 needles of different sizes and lengths. Fold that up real quick, get that out of the way. Come on, fingers, work with me. Scissors? Yep, scissors. Can't really see what markings we got there. I really should get a magnifying glass. Looks like E.I. on both sides. So I might be able to see it right there. The E on the left and the I. Okay, so and there is a slight curve to the scissors. Help you when you're reaching in at an angle. Okay, anything else in the pouch? Looks like some sort of pin backing. Put that right there for now. Try to see if there's another part to that. That makes 2 of them. Unless it's a snap. It might be a snap. No, because how would it attach? No, they look identical. Okay. Put those right there. Don't lose them. Alright. We have some thread. Looks whitish. Tape around it to hold in place. This looks like olive thread. And that's it for the thread. We do have a variety of buttons, and check that out. The buttons are actually strung together. So there's your variety of sizes. Most of them are olive. It looks like there's some brown ones right there. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. And a couple of those clear translucent types. We do have, everything else is attached to this too. So we have a whole bunch of safety pins. And then we have this, as well as, let's see if I can find the bottom of this one. Ooh, it's hard to see. I'm just going to show you right there. Backs of these also have some markings as well. Got the pins are in my way. There's also this as well there on there too. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see those markings that are on the back of the brass buttons, but Come on, let me shine it under this light. Oh, they look more like symbols, actually. Or they could be just pressure marks. I'm just reading too much into it. Alright, what else is in here? That's it. So, again, this is a Italian sewing kit. I don't know if these are all the contents, I guess, because the buttons are strung together and these are put together. I'm assuming these have never been used. So maybe that's all the thread that comes with it. One generic dark olive thread and a white thread for, let's say, dress whites. So let's put this back together. The scissors are facing inward. And then it loops basically just from the pressure marks on here. I guess we can tie it over here. And then I believe because of the fold, something like this. And this is the longer side, so let's tuck it in and complete the knot. Yeah, we can tighten that up later. Anyways, this was the Italian sewing kit from, I got it from ArmyandOutdoors.com out of New Zealand. So again, check them out. You got a whole bunch of stuff, not just small accessories like this, but clothing and other surplus items. So, thanks for watching. Check out some other show and tell and unboxing videos.